Pro 2 fitness smartwatch, hashtag fitness everyday. And this is the side of the box, guys. IP touchscreen, 45 days standby, menstrual cycle tracking, multi-sports mode, heart rate monitor, smart notifications, IP68 waterproof rating, guys. This has a IP68 waterproof rating, guys. Here in the back of this box, guys, here we get the COLORFIT PRO 2 fitness smartwatch and the specifications. Display 3.3 cm, 1.3 inch, IPS touch screen display, battery 210 mAh, 10 days usage time, 45 days standby. Case, the strap which you get, guys, that's polycarbonate material. That the strap, okay, this case is not the strap, guys, sorry. This is the watch, which the smartwatch which you wear, that's made of polycarbonate. The strap is made up of TPU. Compatibility, minimum Android version is Android 4.4 or higher, and the iOS 9.0 or higher. Connectivity, Bluetooth version 5.0, weight 35 grams, guys. And here this is the name of commodity, smartwatch, COLORFIT PRO 2, generic name of the product. SQ, you get these things, and here you get the barcodes. And this is the other side of. And guys, now let's start unboxing the nice COLORFIT PRO 2 smartwatch. And guys, here we get the watch and the strap. This is the strap, guys, made up of the TPU, and this is the watch, smartwatch, guys. And this is the tape which we get on the watch, guys. Here it's written function button, press to return. Please charge to activate the watch before you use it. That's it, guys. And now I am opening the box. Here we have the charging cable. In a zip bag. Guys, it's like this. It's like a magnetic charger. If we just keep it, it just locks like that. You can see. And here it's the charging. We have to plug it to the USB adapter guys, and one second guys, and here we have the user manual guys. This is the user manual. It's pretty big user manual, and you can see if you scan this QR code you can download the app which is suitable for this COLORFIT Pro 2. And guys, let's keep all this aside, and here you get the warranty card. Register your product. Your noise product is backed by 1 year warranty against manufacturing defects. That's it guys. Guys, when you turn on the charging cable, it blinks like this, 94%. And to turn on guys, you have to long press this side key. It's turning on guys.
It's still on, guys.
Guys, it's turned on. You can see 10, 12. The time is not set guys, it's random. This lift wrist screen sensed turn on. Now it's on guys. I will show you. If I just lift my wrist, it will turn on. The LCD will turn on. And this is the heart rate automatic sensor, DMD enabled function. Okay. This is the messages. You have to connect it through the Bluetooth, and you can use that. Here you have the sports mode, heart rate, breathe, alarm, music, stopwatch, settings, sports record. This, when you on the heart rate, you can see guys, it starts blinking. Let's see, 68. Oh, next, breathe. You have alarm guys, and music. For this you have to connect to the Bluetooth, and this is the stopwatch timer guys. This is the settings. Here dial the designs which you want. There are many designs, you can put one of them. This is pretty. And dimming, about, and shutdown. That's it guys in the settings. And the sports record, that how much kilometers you run, or the jogging, everything you get here. And that's it guys, nothing more to show.